that faces rear.
Rear?
Yep. Sits right next to my, yeah, that's one of those. One of those is an octopus tablet. But the one that faces rear is at my trunk. So I catch all 3 views. Oh, come on, homie! Couldn't even use a blinker in your Uber driver. Are you the man that I drive a better car? Or at least my car looks better. Especially after I added the new wheels and the lights to the wheels.
Yeah, that's cool.
Yeah, that was what I thought too. The wheels themselves, they look really nice, but they were not cheap. And I imagine just right here on the road, or where exactly am I talking?
So just right next right.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
He's still, oh my god. This dude has yet to use a turn signal?
And we just got about right here.
Alright, y'all have a great evening. Yep.
Head to your pickup on East 7th Street.
Use your turn signals, they help!
Head to your pickup at Wells Fargo.